Here in this section we will discuss about the work function, values and the physical process which we have to use to emit the electron from the surface of the metal. So you can see here for the cesium the value is 2.14 and for the sodium it is 2.75 and for the lead it is 4.25. Here if you see for the aluminium, that is a metal, copper is a metal, platinum is a metal, the value is so high, 4.28, 4.65, 5.65. These are the values for the work function. In terms of the unit of electron volt in both the cases, so here a very small amount of energy is required to eject the electron from these metals. Now the point is that what type or how many processes are available by which one can basically eject the electron from the metal surfaces. So number one is about the thermionic emission process. By suitably heating, sufficient thermal energy can be imparted to the free electrons to enable them to come out of the metals. So in the first case, that is the thermionic emission process, what we do, we just provide suitable amount of the thermal energy that particular metal from which we want that electron escape from here, right? So thermal energy is one of the source, one of the physical process by which electron can eject from the metallic body. Number two is the field emission process. Number two is this one, field emission. Field emission process is what? Here by applying a very strong electric field of the order 10 raised power 8 volt per meter to a metal, electrons can be pulled out of the metal as in a spark plug. So when we apply higher voltage, so because of that an electric discharge takes place inside the tube, and as a result that energy is used to eject the electron from the surface of the metal, right? An electron basically eject from the surface of the metal in the presence of electric discharge. And number three is about the photoelectric emission. In photoelectric emission, when light of suitable frequency here illuminate a metal surface, electrons are emitted from the metal surface. These photo-generated electrons are called photoelectrons. So here in the third case, this is a metallic surface from which we want that electron eject. What we do, we just provide a suitable frequency light, right, on the surface, and as a result electron eject from the surface. The electron which eject from the surface of the metal are known as photoelectrons. These are photoelectrons. So these are three possible ways by which electron can eject from the surface of the metal, and into the next one we will see that at that time when this process basically going on, then that time it was not sure that the emitted particles from the surface are electron, because it confirmed after the discovery of the electron in 1897, and then after it described completely. So in the next section we will discuss about the history and the experimental study of photoelectric effect.